Was it fast?
Yeah.
Are you shouting?
So we are here again sa Sentosa. We will be going to the sea adventure.
I'm excited. I'm excited that Luna's also going to swim. I'm also with my swimsuit.
Okay. So that way is going to the Universal Studios, and this way will be to the sea adventure. Doon pa? Luna, look, oh, there's a baby dragon. Come here now, walk. Come, walk, come on. Kuya and Luna. Wow, there's a dragon. Wonder and fun. Adventure Cove. It's so hot.
Why is that thing so fast?
Ang init-init dito, hindi na namin kinaya. Buti na lang may payong. Hi, Luna. Fresh orange. How much? Tatay, $3? $3 ito.
Automatic.
Ha? Automatic. Ayan, may umikot na orange dun sa loob.
Kuya, look,
Oh, it's already juicing.
They're making it now.
That is $3. So how much?
What are you doing?
So less than 150. 150 isang baso. You can get it there. Ayan na. Oh, amazing. Okay. Ay, sus. Ay, iyak-iyak. That's the $3 juice. Taste ni tatay if it's sour. Ano? Asim.
Luna.
Ay, walang kaasim-asim kay Luna. Dire-diretso pa, oh.
Anong pakail? Uy!
Lubos mo na. Aki naman.
Ika?
Ito ba sa...
Tama-samang si Luna. Wala makialam. Asim muna.
How did you survive that?
Ang asim kaya.
How?
Mahalaga sa kanya, malamig.
Bye-bye, Luna. I have your umbrella.
Kaya hilig dito sa sinigang, eh. Mahilig sa maasim.
Bye-bye.
Hindi man lang kumirat yung mata.
Bye-bye, Luna.
Yummy. Grabe ka naman. Ano si tatay mo? Look at that one. So cute. Ipatouch mo kay Luna yung turtle. Turtle!
Look at Kuya. Look at Kuya. Look. Kuya has a turtle. Nice. This is school of fishes.
Yeah, ayan o. You'll be able to see the school of fish. your hands first, okay? You have to wash your hands before you touch Nemo. There, you can touch the starfish, you can touch Nemo. There's Nemo.
This one is
Do they bite?
No, they don't bite. Try to touch it. Try to put your head there inside. Dip it, dip it. Come on, there's Nemo. So come on, touch. Look at them. Oh, look at them. They're touching it. How about you? No, touch it. There's Nemo. Like that.
One finger, one finger.
Like that. Oh, there. Oh, diba? They don't bite. There's siya yun.
And get that shot, let's say.
On the side.
Yeah.
Can see that.
Aki there, oh. There's Nemo, Aki, oh.
Why doesn't it want to come? Why doesn't it want to come?
Alright, go.
They're moving?
Yeah, that's the spotted garden eel.
Look at that. That's their face.
Ano yun, nakalubog lang sila, tapos ganyan lang. Where's the dolphin?
There!
Oh, see? That's the dolphin. Oh, dolphin! Ala, oh my God. You want that, Luna? Tatay, you buy daw, tatay. It's a mermaid. Tatay, you buy. How much is it? It's $18. Look at this, oh. RF magnet. $12.
So you mean there's a rainbow outside?
Tuwang-tuwa si Luna. Luna, other. Luna. There. Oh. Ay! tuna. The one is so yummy. Oh, $18. Oh, the heart. $18. Tapos yung nasa mug, $23. $12.
Oh, Sarah, they have a bar? Sarah, like in a chocolate bar? That's what it is. Yeah. $12 there.
This is $12, so this is $400. I think we can get it.
Peanut butter chocolate.
I find it disgusting.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
What are you trying to buy?
3,600 just for the hoodie.
For the hoodie. Oh, this is so big.
$100.
Jolly Rancher.
4,000. My God, this is 4,000 pesos. May Reese's doon na, ano, $12 lang na bar. Look at the big syrup.
Oh my God! I think I need biscuits.
Luna, oh. Syrup. So big, but savings siya. Coin bank. Oh, come on, Luna, come here. Let's get the nuggets. 30 na. Luna. Ito yung hinahanap ko na cherry. Sa Pilipinas ko pa ito hinahanap. Wala ako mahanap na cherry. Puro strawberry na ganito.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.